What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create this photo transformation to become this one. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use here is the Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. So if you would like to try it here, then don't forget to do the login first with your Gmail account, and this will be the home page. And after that you can continue to click try Nano Banana, and after that you can start to upload the picture like this, and after that you can put the prompt into this section. So the prompt's gonna be like this: transform this image into a striking high contrast portrait resembling an old master painting, and also framed in a classic dark wooden frame, this one. And also he has a direct, intense, and somewhat somber gaze, looking slightly to the viewer's right. And also he is dressed a dark and traditional attire such as a brown or black coat, and also maintaining the same face as the attached photo. And also the key feature is dramatic and theatrical lighting. A single strong light source positioned below the subject casts distinct upward shadow, and also creating a chiaroscuro effect. And also the background is unadorned, deep black or very dark tone. And also ensuring all focus remains on the subject's face, and also the dramatic interplay of light and also the shadow. So the overall mood is serious, powerful, and deeply artistic, with the rich and painterly texture. And after that you can continue to click run, and kindly wait for the output down here. Basically this is the same prompt that I used before to create this photo transformation, guys. However, you can also have the possibility to have a little bit different look, but still in one theme. And if you would like to get the different look, so you can continue to click rerun this turn and kindly wait for the result. And if you like it, then you can start to download this picture, and it will be officially saved into your device. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.